Welcome to today's video discussing about 6 best rice for diabetes. Rice and diabetes, friend or foe? If you've been told to avoid rice because of blood sugar spikes, it's time to rethink everything. The truth is, not all rice is bad. In fact, some can actually help you manage diabetes and keep you feeling full and energized. But which ones are safe to eat? And which ones should you avoid at all costs? That's exactly what we're uncovering today. In this video, we're revealing the 6 best rice for diabetes. The ones that won't send your blood sugar soaring, but still let you enjoy your favorite meals. Plus, I'll share a game-changing trick to make any rice healthier for diabetics. And don't miss out, because at the end, I'll reveal the number 1 best rice for diabetes and how to cook it for maximum health benefits. If you love rice but want to stay healthy, this is for you. Let's dive in. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Starting at number 1, brown rice. Want to enjoy rice without spiking your blood sugar? Brown rice is your best friend. Unlike white rice, which digests too fast and causes glucose spikes, brown rice is loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that help stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer. But here's the real secret. It's not just about eating brown rice. It's about cooking it the right way. To make brown rice diabetes friendly, rinse it to remove excess starch, then soak it for 30 minutes. This boosts nutrient absorption and makes it easier to digest. Cook it using a 1-to-2 ratio, 1 cup rice to 2 cups water, on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until tender. And here's a powerful trick. Cool the rice before eating. This increases resistant starch, which slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. For the best results, eat half a cup cooked per meal and pair it with protein and healthy fats to keep blood sugar steady. Next, number 2, black rice. Black rice, also known as forbidden rice, was once reserved for Chinese royalty due to its incredible health benefits. But today, it's available to everyone and is an excellent choice for people with diabetes. Unlike white rice, black rice is rich in fiber and antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, the same compounds found in blueberries. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and support insulin sensitivity. With a lower glycemic index (GI) than white rice, black rice slows down sugar absorption, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. Additionally, black rice is packed with protein, iron, and essential nutrients, making it a wholesome and nutritious option. It also promotes gut health and digestion, further benefiting blood sugar control. For a healthy and delicious meal, try pairing black rice with lean proteins and vegetables. It's a flavorful, diabetes-friendly alternative to white rice. Next, number 3, quinoa. If you're looking for a nutritious, diabetes-friendly alternative to rice, quinoa is a game changer. Unlike white rice, quinoa has a low glycemic index, GI 53 to 57, meaning it won't cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Instead, it provides steady energy while keeping your glucose levels balanced. What makes quinoa truly special? It's a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids, making it perfect for muscle health and metabolism. Plus, it's loaded with fiber. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains 5.2 grams, which aids digestion, promotes gut health, and keeps you full longer, helping with weight management. But that's not all. Quinoa is a powerhouse of magnesium, which supports heart health and insulin function. It's also rich in antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Easy to cook and delicious in salads, soups, or stir-fries, quinoa is the perfect choice for a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Try it today and feel the difference. Coming at number 4, wild rice. Wild rice is a nutrient-packed grain that offers incredible health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Unlike white rice, it is high in protein, fiber, and powerful antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for blood sugar control, heart health, and overall wellness. With 6.5 grams of protein per cooked cup, wild rice slows digestion, prevents sugar spikes, and keeps you full longer, supporting healthy weight management. It is also rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and ferulic acid, which fight inflammation, protect cells from damage, and strengthen the immune system. Studies show that wild rice contains up to 30 times more antioxidants than white rice, making it a true superfood. Additionally, with 3 grams of fiber per cup, it aids digestion, promotes gut health, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Beyond its health benefits, wild rice has a rich, nutty flavor and a satisfying, chewy texture, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. Swap white rice for wild rice and enjoy better health with every bite. Next, number 5. Red rice. Red rice is a nutrient-rich powerhouse that offers exceptional health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Unlike white rice, it retains its bran layer, making it high in fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals. With 3.5 grams of fiber per cooked cup, red rice slows sugar absorption, prevents blood sugar spikes, and keeps you full longer, making it a great choice for weight management. Its deep red color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, support heart health, and boost brain function. Red rice is also packed with iron for energy, magnesium for strong muscles and nerves, and zinc to strengthen the immune system. For the best results, rinse red rice thoroughly to remove excess starch. Then, soak it for at least 30 minutes to soften the grains and reduce cooking time. Use a 1:2 ratio of rice to water. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until tender. Fluff with fork and enjoy its nutty flavor and chewy texture in salads, stir-fries, or as a wholesome side dish. Make the switch to red rice and fuel your body with better nutrition, better energy, and better health. Our final list is Basmati rice. We save the best for last. Basmati rice isn't just rice. It's a game changer for diabetes-friendly eating. With its low glycemic index, 50 to 58, Basmati releases sugar slowly, keeping blood sugar levels stable and energy levels high. Unlike regular white rice, it's lighter, fluffier, and full of delicate aroma, making every bite feel indulgent, without the guilt. But here's why Basmati truly stands out. It's higher in fiber than most white rice, meaning better digestion, longer-lasting fullness, and improved blood sugar control. Plus, it's packed with vitamins for energy, magnesium for strong muscles, and essential minerals for heart health. Want perfect Basmati rice every time? Rinse well. Soak for 30 minutes. Then use a 1 minute and 1.5 seconds rice to water ratio. Cook on low for 12 to 15 minutes. Let it steam, then fluff with a fork. Light, aromatic, and diabetes-friendly. Basmati rice is the ultimate way to enjoy rice without compromise. We are coming to the end of the video. If you want to know anything about this video, please comment. Thank you so much for watching the video so patiently.